Welcome to everyone, I am Rohan Sharma and today in this video we will learn about the embargo. So what is the embargo? It is a type of a system in which one country imposes a restriction on other country. Suppose that USA, United States of America, imposes a restriction on Russia and China. So proper definition of embargo is, it is a government ordered restriction, means official restriction of commerce or exchange with one or more countries. So during an embargo, no goods or services may be imported from or exported to the embargoed country or countries. So today's foreign policy, embargoes are typically intended to force the embargoed country to change a particular social or political policy. For example, since the Cold War, the United States has maintained an economic embargo against Cuba over the human rights violation by the island nation's communist government. Now we will discuss about the types of embargo. First one is a trade embargo, bars the export of specific goods or services. Second one is a strategic embargo, which prohibits only the sale of military related goods or services. And third one is the sanitary embargoes are enacted in order to protect people, animals and plants. So now what is the effectiveness of embargoes? So historically, if we see, most embargoes eventually fail. Reason behind this, take example of a Cold War. Several Western nations have attempted to change the policies of the Russian Federation through a variety of economic sanctions. But what is the result? However, the Russian government has been largely unresponsive to the sanction. Now we will discuss about the consequences of embargoes. So, embargoes can cut off the flow of essential goods and services to the civilians of the embargoed country. That is the one reason, one consequences. Second one is the companies are banned from the potentially profitable markets such as Cuba. Embargoes usually result in counterattacks. So this is the overall concept of embargoes. So if you like my video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you very much.